Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need a recent Mac OS and Safari. Once ready, open Safari and go straight to Preferences. Press, if you prefer. Click the Extensions tab to see what's available and what's already installed. If you don't have the extension yet, click the App Store link in the corner to search. This keeps you in the curated Safari ecosystem and reduces security risk. Make sure you're signed into the App Store so installation proceeds smoothly, and permissions will be requested when required. Once you've installed an extension, you enable it by checking its box in the Extensions list, which activates background processes and toolbar items. Click the extension name to open its detailed options. There you'll set behaviors like toggles, keyboard shortcuts, and whether it can run on specific sites. Make sure to review site access settings. Choose all sites only for trusted tools. Also, enable or disable toolbar icons so your UI stays uncluttered. This helps performance and reduces distractions. Finish by restarting Safari to ensure all permissions and UI changes take effect. Once done, visit a site or use the extension's toolbar icon to confirm it works. Make sure Safari's privacy and security settings don't block needed resources, and update the extension via App Store when prompted. If something goes wrong, disable the extension, then re-enable or reinstall it. This clears corrupted state. Key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, create a new Safari profile or test in a private window to isolate conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.